Godot versus Python. What's the difference? Choosing the right development tool can completely change how you build games or applications without unnecessary complexity. Godot is a game engine, while Python is a versatile programming language. Godot and Python serve different purposes in development. Godot is a dedicated game engine designed for building interactive games with visual tools, whereas Python is a general-purpose programming language used for scripting, automation, and application development. Their core difference lies in scope and specialization. Godot is an open-source game engine that provides a complete environment for game development. It includes a scene system, visual editor, and built-in tools for animation, physics, and rendering, making it ideal for creating 2D and 3D games. Developers use Godot's scripting language, GDScript, which is similar to Python or other supported languages like CD. Godot streamlines the game creation process by integrating asset management and debugging tools within one platform. Its strengths lie in ease of use, rapid prototyping, and a strong community backing. However, Godot may have limitations in handling very high-end graphics compared to commercial engines and is primarily focused on game development rather than general programming. The ideal user is a game developer or hobbyist seeking a free, flexible engine with a gentle learning curve and extensive documentation, especially those who want to focus on game logic and visuals without managing low-level engine details. Python is a versatile, high-level programming language widely used beyond game development, including web applications, data analysis, automation, and scripting. It features simple syntax and a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks, making it accessible for beginners and powerful for experts. While Python itself is not a game engine, it can be used to write game logic or prototypes, often combined with libraries like Pygame for 2D games. Python excels in flexibility and rapid development, but lacks built-in tools for graphics rendering, physics, or asset management that a game engine like Godot provides. This means developers must integrate or build these components separately, which can increase complexity. Python is ideal for developers who want a general-purpose language applicable to many domains, including game scripting, but who are comfortable managing additional tools and frameworks for game-specific features. Godot and Python cater to different development needs. If your goal is to create games efficiently with built-in tools and a streamlined workflow, Godot offers an all-in-one solution with visual editors and integrated systems. It reduces setup time and focuses on game-specific features. Python, on the other hand, offers unmatched flexibility for a variety of applications, but requires additional libraries for game development, which means more manual setup and integration. For example, a hobbyist wanting to quickly build a 2D platformer might prefer Godot, while a developer aiming to prototype game mechanics or integrate AI scripts might choose Python. Godot trades some general programming power for simplicity and game focus, whereas Python trades simplicity for versatility and broader usage. Choose Godot if you want a dedicated, user-friendly game engine with built-in tools that simplify game creation and focus specifically on interactive experiences. Opt for Python if you need a flexible programming language for diverse projects beyond gaming, or prefer customizing your development environment with various libraries. Both tools excel in their domains, so select based on whether your focus is game development or general-purpose programming.